Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my channel, Extensible. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send your vMix audio to your recording software, either Audacity or Adobe Audition or any of your recording software you're using. How to send your vMix audio, the audio that is coming to vMix, because at times in vMix you can have your denoiser, you can have different plugins for your audio. So how to send that audio in particular to your recording software so you can record it over there. Stay tuned in this video and don't forget my name, Yusuf Olasokomi, and this is Extensible. Okay, so first of all, you need to download this virtual audio cable AB, not the A plus B. Virtual audio cable. All right. Oh, I'm not connected to the internet. Just give me a sec. Yes, I'm connected now. So the virtual audio cable AB, it's over here. Just go into this website, then you can click on the virtual audio cable. It's over here. Yes, virtual audio cable driver. This VB cable driver. Just click on it and it's downloading for your Windows. Once you download it, you go to where it's installed in. Then you extract it over here. That's extract. And just go over here and extract to the folder. This is over here. Yes, once you start to it, you click on it and you install the setup 1064. Remember, as run as administrator, so you run as administrator and you should see it as removed. I've already installed it already, so like I said, virtual audio cable is already installed, or else you should have seen installed also. So that is how you install it, and once you have it there already, so just go to your vMix. This is my audio in my vMix going, like, if you're having service or whatever you're doing, your production is going in smooth, easy. Let me add my camera on it. All right, so my this is what I want to record right now. So my audio, which is this mic, is connected to this over here. So all you have to do is go to your settings. You want to do something, go to your settings over here. Since you have installed the VB cable, you go to your settings. Then you make your audio output. You go to your audio output. This is audio output over here. Okay, yes, I'm not zooming in again. This is audio output. Then we go to this A. We make your A the VB cable you installed. The VB cable you installed. You can buy the A and B also. We're not using it for now because it's not really needed. So this VB cable input, VB audio cable, VB or audio virtual cable. Use it as A. And once you have selected it as A, you press OK, and your system is going to. I'm going to ask if you can restart your vMix. So once you have done that, to restart your vMix, in this your audio microphone over here, in all your audio mixers, you see this A button over here. So this A button meaning, when you select it, it means it's sending to A. So wherever you're using A, it's sending to it. So we're going to go into it just show. This master here, is going to the master over here, which is going to your master over here, which is going to your stream or whatever you're doing. So if you select this audio, this bus A also, is going to send to bus A. So we go to, okay, I'm using Audacity for now to record. We go to our Audacity, and in your audio setup, which is over here, your audio setup, you select it and you should see your playback, recording device. I'm going to select the VB cable, with the virtual cable that was selected, which is over here. Cable output, VB audio virtual. See it over here, select it, and it should be done. So anything you're recording, if you press select your R recording, it should be recording my voice. This is over here recording, and that is how you record your vMix output, audio output to your sound device. The reason why this is done is because at times in vMix, like just for example, me now, I know a lot of people out there also are like that. We have different plugins which we're using, like a denoiser plugin, I have a Betom denoiser plugin. So at times this, I don't really know much about this, but I just increase the denoising threshold and on it, so it's on. So it won't really be showing the noise like that. That's why I like using my vMix audio. So I record my vMix audio using this denoiser tool. Then in my Audacity over here, whatever audio I'm receiving in my vMix is sending to my Audacity. This is over here, and the audio will be a lot cleaner than the rest of it. And that is how you send your audio from your vMix to any recording device you are using, even if it's Adobe Audition or anything. That's how you send it. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video has been very useful to you, please don't hesitate to like this video, share, comment, follow the loved one, and also subscribe to join this amazing family. Turn on the notification bell to get notified immediately I post new videos. Okay, so thank you very much for watching once more. If you have any comments, you can comment it on the section, or you can also message me on WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook. But everything, all the links are in my YouTube description, are in this video description also. So thank you very much for watching once again. Don't forget my name, Joseph Lassaconi, and this is Extensive Production.